Happy Sunday to every one of us. Now I'm cooking. My own breakfast, and that is the patata and the egg and the corned beef. This is the corned beef, that's what I want, that's what I like it. Oh. Basta sa ibang bansa, ito yung corned beef lang ang inaano ko, kinakain ko. Since pa talaga. Oh. Yun yung gusto ko. Yun yung favorite na ano ko, na pagka beef, corned beef. Cow. Yeah, cow. Because that's what I eat only in the Philippines. Cow. Kaya that's all. That's what I like. That's what I want. Kaya ganito ang buhay ko pag nagluluto ako by myself. Kasi wala nga magre-reklamo. Nobody will see what kind of dish that you are doing. You are cooking. It's salted, need salt, or whatever. It's not taste like this one. For me, it's necessary. The important that my stomach is happy. That is so important for me. We are not the same. Individual likes and individual taste. Basta that's what only I am. Because in the restaurant, yeah, right, I can eat beef good. Because that is restaurant already, right? Oh. And then I eat the food of Madam that is the one to cook. Or their family, the family of Madam or the family of Zero, yun. And in the restaurant, huh? But in my own, if I want to cook by my own, I can make it. I am the one also to eat. Except if she like it, so I let them to eat. The important that one is clean and well done. That's what I do. Sampurado, I make her sampurado also. If I miss sampurado, I make sampurado or lugaw. And there is chicken that what's that in the talada, so I can mix it. Like yesterday, I make the pasta. I make it spaghetti by myself. That is the sauce. The red sauce of the chicken. Ay, naku talaga naman. Very, very, very easy of cooking by me. What's that? I don't know. I feel hungry na kasi. And I'm the one to watch that only my time. I'm not make quickly because I have some pa to take care. But now that I'm here only, so anytime, that's what I want. It's like sometimes I need also relax. And it's like in the hotel, every day there is the rooms, there is guest or no guest. Every day the cleaner is making to be retouched. Like here in the house, that's what I do. I'm not perfectly cleaner as in, but at least that I do it, and I know I'm comfortable that it's clean. So, that's what I am. Oh, okay. What time is it? How many? What's that now? 25. And that one. And you know what it means. Oh, I mix it together. That's all. And tomorrow, before the eggplant, it's McDamis or throw. And the small squash. Oh, not squash. Opo yata yan. Maliit na opo. Kusa kung tawag nila. So, I make it fried. i-ano ko yung i-haluan ko ng ano ba yan, yung corned beef ko. Okay, and then I have still rice. So that's what I do, and that's what I am. Okay? So thank you again for watching. Thank you for everything. Have enjoy Sunday summer vacation. You are very lucky because you have your summer vacation. You have lived maybe different families. You are enjoy, and some of them that mga housemates, they have a day off. So you are going with your friends and with your family. Oh, so me, at least now my work is it's not kumbaga pa relax ng kasi ako lang ang nag-ano ng time ko ngayon. That's what I call, it's my home vacation. Home vacation of my employer, of my madam, in their unit that I'm here now. Okay, so that's all. So keep safe wherever you are. Ingatan mo talaga, give importance, give time, especially to yourself, to your health, wherever we are and who we are. So thank you again for watching. God bless us all and more blessings. Be happy. Ano na? 5 na ba? 5 more than na. Okay.